In this video, I will show you how to do pet in and pet out in CapCut. So I will show you step by step. After you open the CapCut, now I want to add pet in or pet out to this video. So I will start by adding the pet in, then I will add the pet out. So select the video or the picture you want to add the pet in or pet out to it. I select this video. After you select the video, go to this animation. After you go to animation, then go to this in. Under this in, then go ahead and select this pet in. After you select the fade in, so now let's play the video and see. So as you can see now the video started with fading. So if you want to add fade out to the video, so go ahead and select the last clip of your video, the last clip. So after you select the last clip, so just go ahead and go to the animation section and click on this out. Under the out, then scroll to down, and here is the fade out. So select the fade out. So now if I play my video, so now here is it now. And if you want to decrease the length, let's say I want to decrease the length, if you just click on the video, as you can see now here, it will give you the duration. The duration by default is 0.5, and you can increase the duration or you can decrease the duration of the pet in or pet out. So you can just apply this method on your picture or on anything you want to use pet in or pet out in your editing, and that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe.